Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking for a entertainment center that is white and has built-in LEDs, this video is for you. So I'm gonna give you a full breakdown of how long it takes to put together, is it easy to put together, and some very specific measurements that go along with everything. All right, start to finish, it's gonna take about an hour to fully assemble. Everything comes in individual pieces, but the cool part is it has everything labeled, A to Z, every single panel. I mean, every single panel, every screw, everything has its own place, and it's a pretty simple, about 15-step installation guide, but taking your time, it's gonna take roughly about an hour to put together. Size-wise, it's 66 inches wide. The depth on it is right at about 16 inches, about 16 inches deep, and it sits off the floor right at about 22 inches. It is definitely on the heavy side once it's completely assembled. I mean, it can be lifted up, but it does come with plastic feet, and it does come with like little bitty silicone type stickers that can go on the bottom to kind of help from a sliding and moving standpoint, depending on where it might be located. It does have integrated LEDs as shown, and it does come with a radio frequency remote. So you don't have to be facing it to kind of change the color. This, for example, we're changing the color and we're not facing it. It has an on, off, auto, or it would just rotate through different colors. R, G, B, yellow, blue, and purple. You can hit a W to white. Also kind of cool, you can have it set up to react to, let's say, music or audio. So normally it would be off, and then when there's audio, it kind of flashes. So from a music standpoint, that's pretty cool. It does have a reverse option to where it's glowing, but then when there's audio picked up, it will flash. And there's a couple different settings as far as that's concerned. Pretty cool. It can also, the speed, the different colors can be adjusted with the settings here on the remote. And there's also some timer settings here as well. So from like a night light standpoint, you can turn 1, 2, 3, and 4 hour options there if the user wants. Very, very cool. These shelves come with the ability to adjust them up or down. They come with all the required hardware to kind of put these shelves in here. These are glass, and they have their own glass shelves, and those can be raised up or down. To help determine measurements, you're looking at roughly 5 inches from the bottom shelf, but this shelf also, this will slide out if need be. But 5 inches when this is in up to the first layer of where the glass could be mounted, and then they're roughly in 3-inch increments, so it can go 5 and then go 8 and then go another 12 inches. Kind of give you some options there. If you don't want the glass in, your opening is about 16.5 inches tall by about 18 inches wide on the left and right, and the middle section is about 23 inches wide by about 17 inches tall. And again, same thing. This can be adjusted with these built-in clips up or down. The backs of these are sealed in matching white, and the middle one is a pass-through. So from an entertainment standpoint, if there was additional equipment, anything that needed to be plugged in can be plugged in here, and the back is empty, so it can go into an outlet for convenience. The sheen on this is it's not a high gloss, but it's definitely a slick, for the most part, slick laminate. We'll call it a laminate, and yeah, it's pretty nice, I must say. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me and said, Ryan, give us an honest review. How long does it really take to put together? What do you think about the finish and the usability of this? And the LED lights are pretty cool. Hopefully that came across, and we'll talk to you soon.